Have you ever noticed the few search results report while exploring the event section and wondered what search terms are being used on your website? Then you're in the right place. Welcome back to the Trucking Success channel, and in this video I will show you how to build a GA4 site search report and see what your visitors are searching for on your website. Because when you click on the events, you won't see what the search terms, so we need to create a report for that. And this event might automatically track on some websites, but if that's not the case for you, don't worry. I have another video linked in the description below, which guides you through setting up site search on your website. So if you have it and you will see the event right here, you can create a report. So for creating a report, go to Library, click on Create New Report, Create Detailed Report, and click on Blank. Then we're gonna add the dimensions, and the dimension will be search term. Click on Apply. Then we're gonna add some metrics to it, like event counts per user, and total users. Click on Apply, and the report is being shown here. You can also customize the report, so I don't want a line chart in it. I only want a bar chart, and here you will see the search terms. Then we're gonna save the report, site search report. Give the report a name and click on Save. Then we need to add the collection to the sidebar. That way it shows right here, and you can do that by clicking on a collection you want to put in the report. So in this case, we're gonna put it on lifecycle. Click on Edit Collection. Then you will search for the site search report, and you will put it, I will put it right here under Events, and click on Save. Save changes to current collection. And then when we go back to lifecycle engagement, you will see here the site search report. And here you will see all the search terms and event count per user, and the total users. This was a video on how to build a GA4 site search report to see the search terms that are being searched on your website. If you find this video useful, hit the thumbs up below the video. This way I can check what kind of videos you all like and what should I create in the future. If you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. This was Trucking Success for now, and I'll see you in the next one.